Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called the PLR Profit Society from Liz Tomey, and it is much more than just a big dump of PLR products. It's more of a PLR coaching area and community and workshops and how to use AI with PLR to create whole new PLR opportunities and everything you need to know about how to make money with PLR. And what if I told you, I think it is $17 per month, but what if you could get it for a whole year for 97 bucks? Let's take a look inside and I'll give you an idea of what it's all about. There's a link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. I'll tell you all about the PLR Profit Society from Liz Tomey. You'll like the member benefit. It starts off with a PLR Profit Coach and PLR biweekly, meetings, private community of PLR people, PLR reviews of other people's PLR, the AI lab showing you how to create PLR and make it better and work for you. Tech troubles, they have the information you need. Everything's all put together, and then the workshops and the people there. And there is already all sorts of information, PLR things that are inside there. And like I say, the whole 9 yards. Let's see if I can do this here. I'll skip past all the member benefits. You can read this. Click the link and then click the product box, and you're at this page. And you can see all the different PLR workshops. These aren't just a quick little PDF. These are complete full-out workshops. Each of these, I think, is about 47 bucks. So you get the idea that even for your $97, you're getting 2 of these to use for yourself, and you're at break even. So I'm going to skip all this. She's going to show you all about PLR, and then we go, hey, you're going to lock in the price at, here we go. So $97 for a year, or month to month for $17 monthly. So you can try it out for 17 bucks, or you can do for a whole year for 97 bucks. The link is in the video description. You click that link, you go to my site at marketingsharks.com, and you click on the product box, sort of like that credit card looking thing. I guess it's a membership card for the PLR Profit Society from Liz Tomey. Click the link, go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. If you want PLR and someone to take you by the hand and make you make money, Liz Tomey's the one to put it together for you. Click the link and check it out.